to the universe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sierra. If you recently joined the family, welcome to the family. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel so you can join the family, so you won't miss any of my recent uploads. Also, don't forget to comment and share this video with your friends, your auntie, your uncle, your grandma, your mom, your sister, your brother. You know, share this video. So today I'll be doing a everyday, just a natural face beat. Does that make sense? An everyday makeup tutorial. So let's get right into the video. My face is pretty much clean, but I'm just gonna use one of these wipes, and you can get these at Dollar Tree. Yeah, and they work just as good. So I'm gonna use one of these to clean my face. I also have a daily moisturizer, so I don't know if any of y'all have used it yet, but yeah, it's a daily moisturizer. I just bought this as well. I'm gonna try it, so we're gonna see how it go. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the moisturizer on, and it's brand new, like it just came out, but it's the daily hydration moisturizer, and you use it every day. A little drop. Down below in the description box. Now we're gonna put on this primer. Just like before, we're gonna put a small amount. It's a NYX eyebrow pencil. I'm not sure if y'all can read that. It's a NYX eyebrow pencil. Yeah, the color is dark brown. The next thing for me to do is conceal. So I have two concealers. Well, they're upside down for one, but I use Pro Conceal, and the colors are Almond and Toffee. Now I used to use Warm Honey, but I found out that Warm Honey is kind of too light for my skin complexion, so I just recently switched to these two. So I'm gonna test these out, and hopefully they match my skin. It's eyeshadow primer, but I have this a while, so this is Avon, but yeah, it's eyeshadow primer. So next we're gonna do the eyeshadow. We're using Morphe. And this is the 35O palette. I actually caught this on sale. Was it Christmas time or New Year's Eve? I mean, New Year's. I caught it on sale. Yeah, this is what it looks like if anybody was wondering. Now this palette is pretty good for people that like natural looks, natural beauty. It's pretty good. So I got my eyeshadow brush. Yeah, for some reason, my phone didn't even record me doing my eyelash. I mean, not my eyelash, my eyeliner. I don't know why, but it did not record. Just, I don't know. Yeah, for some reason, my phone didn't even record me doing my eyelash. I mean, not my eyelash, my eyeliner. I don't know why, but it did not record. So now we're onto the foundation, and I use the Fit Me. I used to use MAC, but at the time, you know, it make my face too oily, and it's, I don't know, it looks so shiny, but I'm using the matte poreless Fit Me, and this is 362 Truffle. Just gonna pour a little dab. Now it's time to conceal. Get your corrected spots, and this is Toffee I'm using. I look like a new person, don't I? Okay, we're doing the translucent powder. Loose, you know. I use Black Radiance, and it is, the color is Banana. And also be careful when you open this because it makes a mess. Like, look at it. Unnecessary. And I don't use the little pad that comes with it. I use like another beauty blender. I use this. It's really specific, like you can see, it's designed for my stuff. But you're gonna make sure in here that it's flat. Like it's flat and it's not cakey, because when you put it on here, it's gonna cake up and make it, you know, look bad up in here. So that it's more powder. So I'm just gonna pretty much try to flatten it out by shaking it. Then I'm just gonna dab it around. And you see right here, you're gonna make sure, just gonna swipe it off to the side, and you see how smooth it is. My next step is this. It's a contour palette. I got the light to medium because I'm not dark skin, like dark. You have your contour, your sculpting, and your highlight. But I use other highlights as well. But like, yeah, up here it shows you pretty much of where like to put it. So I use that most times. I have my own, I have other ones. And these are NYX as well. It's a Wavy Glow. I have 2 kinds. Okay, this is Moonbeam, and I haven't opened this one yet, but this is Gold Rush. And I'm pretty sure Moonbeam would work. So I'm gonna put it on only my nose, my chin, and then my cheek, but yeah. And last but not least, mist spray. I use Elf.